So today I want to show you an underground strategy that people are making well over $4,000 every single week by simply copy and pasting emails. I've been doing this on and off for a few weeks now, and as you can see on my dashboard, I've already made well over $4,000 with it. This is a simple and proven strategy that still works to this very day. And in this video, I'm going to show you this same strategy so that you can start making money for yourself. You don't need your own website for this. You don't need to invest any of your own money, and you can literally do this from anywhere in the entire world. So let's go ahead and just jump right into this video. So step one, the first thing I'm going to show you is the name of the program that I'm promoting for this strategy. And as you can see on my screen, the name of this software is called System.io. And if this is your first time ever hearing about System.io, it's basically an all-in-one funnel building software for aspiring entrepreneurs. You can use this software to build websites, to send out emails and collect emails, and even sell products, whether it be e-commerce or physical products or digital products. But a lot of people like this software because they have one major thing that a lot of other softwares don't: a free forever plan. What that means, you can sign up and create an account for this software for absolutely free. They don't even ask you for your credit card information. But today in this video, we're not actually going to be using the software ourselves. What we're actually going to be doing is using this software and promoting it to YouTubers who are looking to monetize their YouTube channels. And the way we're going to make money in the process is by leveraging System.io's affiliate program. So far at the time of this video, System.io has paid over $5 million in commissions to their affiliates. But the number one thing I like about the affiliate program is that you can earn 60% lifetime commissions. Because it's a funnel building software, people who sign up for it are going to have to pay for it every single month. And for the lifetime of that customer, you'll get recurring commissions every single month. And to become an affiliate for System.io is absolutely free. All you got to do is create your free account, and then you're going to automatically be registered as an affiliate. But let's break down the earning potential that you can make with System.io before we get into the strategy. Under their free plan, if you could just get people to sign up for the free plan, you're going to make 60% commissions when they upgrade, and they're going to do all the promoting for you. So all you have to do is refer them, and then System.io is going to follow up with them and convert them into paid members. But on their annual startup plan, you're going to also get those same 60% commissions, and you can earn up to $160. They also have a webinar plan where you'll also get 60% commissions, and you can earn up to $237 per customer. And then finally, on their unlimited plan, 60% commissions, you'll make $496 per customer. Now, to sign up to become an affiliate for System.io, all you have to do is scroll down to the bottom of their page and click on Become an Affiliate. But before you do that, I got a special surprise for you. If you sign up with System.io using my affiliate link down below this video, I'm going to give you a free System.io affiliate funnel. This affiliate funnel helps convert those free members into paid members super fast. And the cool thing is, you're not going to have to build this affiliate funnel from scratch. After you sign up, you're going to be able to import this System.io affiliate funnel into your free account, and it's going to be imported into your account all in one click. And with this free System.io affiliate funnel, with the strategy I'm going to be teaching you in this video, is going to convert those leads into paying customers super faster. This is the same funnel I've been using that is helping me make thousands of dollars in commissions and sales with System.io, and I give it to you for absolutely free just for using my link down below. And again, the best thing I like about System.io's affiliate program is that it's going to enable you to create passive income, which means not only do you get paid upfront when they upgrade to a paid membership, but you're going to get recurring commissions and income every single month for the lifetime of that customer, which means all you got to do is do the work once, and you're going to continue to get paid by the same customer over and over and over again. So with System.io being a tool to help aspiring entrepreneurs monetize their business by selling e-commerce products or digital products, we're going to be using this tool to target those types of people on YouTube. And the best ones are those people who have a YouTube channel but aren't monetized yet and don't know that they can make money with affiliate marketing and or selling digital products on their channel until they reach those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. And here's the reason we're going to use YouTube entrepreneurs for this strategy. As you can see at the time of this video, YouTube has over 113 million active channels on its platform. But as you can see, according to this article, out of those 113 million active channels, only 0.25% of them are actually making money. That means it's only 1/4 of 1% of channels on YouTube that are monetized. So with those low numbers versus all the people who actually have channels on the platform, you can imagine the opportunity that you could capitalize on making money by helping those people achieve the monetary goals, even without 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. This means that we have an overwhelming and unlimited amount of people that we could promote the System.io software to all these unmonetized and small YouTube channels and reach a large sum of commissions in the process. So again, the first step you want to do is use the link down below, sign up for System.io's affiliate program by simply just creating a free account, and it won't cost you a dime. And again, if you use my affiliate link down below this video, I'm going to give you your very own System.io affiliate funnel for absolutely free as a bonus. So now let's get started finding our small YouTubers that we could promote the System.io software to. The first thing that you want to do while you're on YouTube.com is find a niche. And as you can see at the top, there are tons of niches up here, from monetization to hidden cameras to hip hop dance to digital marketing to gaming. Whichever one that you want to choose is totally up to you, but for this tutorial, I'm just going to go with digital marketing. Next, what we're going to want to do is go over to the top right and click the filters feature, and we're going to click on update last hour. The updated filter feature on YouTube is going to filter all the channels on YouTube and only show us the small and non-monetized YouTube channels in this niche. So these are all the small YouTube channels that just probably created their channel or been on the YouTube channel a short while and haven't gotten any traction going, and are definitely not monetized yet. So as you can see, this video just posted just about 40 minutes ago, and then this video right here just posted a video about 14 minutes ago. So what you want to do is just scroll through this list of YouTube channels and search for the ones that have low subscribers and just posted their videos recently that are probably going to be the best candidates for this strategy. So here's an example of one of these small YouTubers. As you can see, they only have 318 subscribers. You need 1,000 in order to be monetized on YouTube. They only have 81 videos, and you could pretty much tell they're just getting started on YouTube. But what you want to do on their YouTube channel, you want to go to the top in their bio and click on more, and you're going to get some more information to where you can message them. And some people even have their email addresses. You can get their email address and send them a message or a DM and tell them about System.io and how they can use it to monetize their YouTube channel. Okay guys, so that last YouTube channel didn't have an email address, but I still want to show you an example. Here's another small YouTuber right here. As you can see, if you go into his profile and you click more, you're going to see the channel details right here, and you click view email address, click I'm not a robot, and then click submit, and then it's going to pop right up right here, and all you have to do is just copy that email. And from here, we're just going to copy that email address so that we can send them an email promoting System.io and how it can help them monetize their YouTube channel, even if they don't have 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 hours of watch time. And by the way, guys, stick around to the end of this video because I'm going to show you the exact email that I use that's converting all these small YouTubers into paid System.io customers that are making a lot of money with the System.io affiliate program. Now, moving on into step 3, at this point, you should already have your free System.io account set up, along with a document or a spreadsheet of all the emails that you collected in whatever niche that you chose to get all these emails with. So what we're going to do right now is use AI to help us create an amazing blog post, which is going to help convince them that System.io is the best tool to help them monetize their YouTube business. What you don't want to do is just reach out to people and spam them with your affiliate link. You want to do this in an ethical way by first giving them some value so that when they see the value of System.io, they convince themselves that it's the right tool for them without you having to be all salesy. So what you want to do right now is copy the exact prompt that you see on your screen right now. If you need to take a second and pause the video, you're welcome to do that. Or you could just take a look right now and do it at the end after I've explained the entire process. So basically the prompt reads, please create 10 high converting titles that grab attention and precisely describe the primary topic or problem we are trying to solve for whatever selected topic or niche that you chose to run with. But in this case, we're going to be talking about how to monetize your YouTube channel, how to make money with YouTube with less than 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. And then once you do that, what you're going to do is just click send or enter. And then what's going to happen, the AI is going to start creating some titles for our article that's going to help convince people to sign up for System.io so that they can start making money with their YouTube channel. I also did it a second time to show you some other options. This time I put in for the topic, how to get monetized on YouTube with no subscribers and less than 4,000 hours of watch time. And once again, it generated me some more attention-grabbing titles. So at this point, all you have to do is pick the one that you like the most. And for this one, I really like this one the best. It says, beat the system, monetize your YouTube channel now, even without the requirements. That's pretty dead on. From here, again, what you want to do is copy this exact prompt into your AI software, which is going to help us create the first paragraph for our article. This is very important, so you want to take it serious because the first paragraph needs to be awesome because it's going to help lock the reader in so that they do continue reading. At the end of the prompt, all you want to do is just put in your title that you selected from the 10 titles from the previous prompt. And then all you have to do is click enter or send. And then just like that, you can see that the AI has generated our first paragraph of our article. Once you're done, this is the next prompt that you're going to enter into your AI. And this prompt is going to help the AI create a detailed outline for our entire article. Just make sure you tell it to skip the introduction. And you can also choose the tone and style. So I've chose friendly as my tone and conversational as the style. And bam, you see it's broken down this article into sections as an outline, and then it also has subtitles up under each part, and it goes all the way to the end and guides the reader through the entire article. And even at the end, it has the conclusion and the call to action, which is getting them to go to System.io, create an account, and hopefully upgrade so that we can start earning those commissions. You want to always make sure you have a clear call to action in anything that you're promoting. The next thing you're going to want to do so that we can bring this all together is copy this paste right here on your screen, which is going to take all the information we just put into this AI and create it into a 2,000 word article that's going to include all the information that's going to convince them to not only read this article, but also take action and sign up for System.io. Once you paste the prompt in here, you also want to copy the outline it just gave us. You're going to paste it right here where it says blog outline and paste that entire outline right here. Then once you're done, you're going to simply press enter, and then now we're going to have our title, we're going to have subtitles and sections. Everything we had in that outline, the AI is going to generate it into a very engaging article. And it's so cool that AI did this entire process, and we got a great engaging article that's going to help us make that $300, $400, and $500 a day. And not only commissions, but recurring commissions with the System.io affiliate program. And this article is going to do all the selling for us. Now make sure you stick around. We're not done yet, because the next thing we're going to do is take all this information and turn it into an article, and we're going to transfer it into another platform where we're going to be able to get free traffic. And don't forget, I told you if you stick around to the end of this video, I'm going to show you the powerful email template that you can use to send out to all of your prospects. That's going to help you boost and convert those people into System.io paid members so that you can earn those nice commissions. Now in step 4, I'm going to show you the free platform that I use that's going to publish this article. And not only that, we're going to be able to get free traffic from this platform, but not only just the platform, but all of Google, that's going to attract all the people that's going to be the best candidates to purchase this System.io software. Now, the platform that I'm referring to is a platform that gets over 171 million visitors every single month. And the name of this platform is called Medium.com. Now, what's so cool about Medium.com is that 1, it's 100% free to use, and 2, you can post your affiliate links on this platform without the risk of getting blocked or shadow banned. The only thing that you have to do within the article is declare and disclaim that there are affiliate links in the article so that your account won't get banned. So what you want to do is just head over to medium.com, create your free account, and when you're all done, it's going to bring you to a page like this. When you're here, up at the top right-hand corner, what you want to do is click on write, and then this is where we're going to copy and paste our ChatGPT or our AI article that we created. So what you want to do is just go back to the AI software, copy your title, and then come back to Medium, right click, and then we're going to put in paste. And then once again, come back and we're going to get our intro, copy it, and then right up under the title, we're going to put in paste. And then what you want to do is just repeat this process all the way to the end of your article. And as you can see, I've went ahead and already done that. We have our entire article copied and pasted right within medium.com, and we get it all for absolutely free. Now from here, there's a few things that you can do. If you scroll back up and say you want to add in some images, all you have to do is just click the plus sign like so, and then you can add videos, or you can add an image by clicking the image right here. And then you can just select the image from your device and then just upload it into Medium, and it's going to pop up wherever you chose to put it in your article. Following this, the next thing that you want to do is get your affiliate link for System.io. Now, if you signed up using my affiliate link with System.io and you got the free System.io affiliate funnel, then you would use that link instead of your System.io affiliate link. But for those who just want to promote System.io directly, what you would do is inside your System.io account, go to the dashboard, then go to affiliate dashboard, and on that page, you'll see your promote System.io and earn 60% affiliate link. Copy that link. And then back on Medium, what you would do is just highlight the piece of text that you want to make a hyperlink. You're going to click the link icon, and then you're just going to paste your affiliate link inside that box. And then what you're going to do is just press enter. And then as you can see, your link is going to get underlined. And when you hover over it, you'll be able to see your affiliate link. And you can repeat this step through your entire article. Just make sure that you do hyperlink and use your affiliate link where it's absolutely relevant. But once you're done, all you got to do is go up here to the top right-hand corner and click on publish. And then what you're going to want to do is enter a topic for this blog article. So things like YouTube or digital marketing or subscribers or monetization, stuff like that. It's going to help them get an idea what your article is about, as well as tell Medium.com's algorithm the best viewers it should place your article in front of. But once you're done with that process, all you have to do is click the publish now button, and then your article will now be live on Medium.com. And again, not only is your article going to be live on Medium.com's platform, but it's also going to be live on Google. So for everybody that's searching on Google about how to monetize their YouTube channel, your article is going to pop up in their search query as well. So this is going to lead to more eyes on your article and ultimately more clicks of your affiliate link, and then ultimately more affiliate commissions that you're going to reap every single month for the lifetime of those upgraded and paying members. Now, this is one way that you can make money with System.io's affiliate program. But like I said, if you stuck around, I would tell you about my powerful email template that you can use to also make money with System.io. And that's the strategy we talked about where I told you to go over to YouTube and filter through the YouTube platform and get all those new and upcoming YouTubers and copy their email addresses, and you can put them in a spreadsheet or a notepad. So now that you have those emails, what you want to do is just send all those YouTubers your Medium.com link article. So that way your article is going to do all the promoting and selling to you, and you're providing value first instead of just spamming them with your affiliate link. What I'm going to do for everybody that stuck around and watched this video to the end is give you that email template that I use to send out to all those new and upcoming YouTubers for absolutely free. I'm going to leave that link down below in the YouTube description, and that's my thank you bonus from me to you and all of your support and watching my content. Now, after watching this video, you may be asking yourself, what's a faster way I can get this done? What's the fastest way I can get those emails? What's the fastest way I can start getting those clicks to my affiliate link? Well, then that's why you want to watch the video popping up on your screen right now. Because when you pair what you just learned in this video with what you're going to learn in the next, it's going to make you way more powerful. Till then, stay blessed, and I'll see you on the other side of success.